In the meanwhile, we also have seen the gold and silver prices decline quite sharply. We have seen the gold prices make fresh 2018 lows, and the silver prices are trading below $16 per ounce as well. Prathamesh Malya of Angel Commodities now joins us to talk more about that. Prathamesh, hi. Quite a sharp decline. Of course, silver has seen some buying from those kind of lows, but are you buying yet?
Manisha, no, not yet. I think it has been consistently declining. You talk about gold and silver. Right from 31,000 mark or even 13,500 mark, the gold prices have been falling consistently for the last 13 to 14 trading sessions. I would not be a buyer at this level, taking into consideration that dollar is strengthening for quite some time now. I think it would be better to sell both these metals. I think 30,100 is what we're looking for immediate targets as far as gold is concerned, and as far as silver goes, 39,000 the price targets that we're looking at. I think both the metals would be better to be on the short side rather than on the buying side.
How are you also treating the base metal prices? Because much of the trends that precious metals get is from base metals, especially silver, where we have seen some buying in bits and pockets. We did see zinc and lead actually start the day with some gains, not so much for the other metals. How is this sector looking?
Yes, Manisha, I think for zinc, the fundamental stories are really picking up quite well. I think with inventories on the LME consistently increasing, I don't think zinc price is going too much higher from here. I think it is struggling to post that 200 mark on the NCX. I think you would further see more pressure on this particular metal. I think 190 is what we're looking at as the immediate near-term targets. But then you really have to look how US and China goes off this particular trade at tariffs. I think this would definitely have an impact on lead as well as zinc prices.
How would you look at the copper prices? Because the decline in the recent few days has just gotten more sharper. You know, we were trading at a 3-month lows, and now we're trading at a 7-month lows, and we seem to be breaking those crucial levels on the weaker side. And the state of the economy actually does come in on where the copper prices are trading. With the kind of decline that we are seeing, are you concerned? Are we looking at further declines even from the kind of levels where we are?
Yes, Manisha. I think from the 485 mark to almost around 450 mark, it's been a decent correction as far as copper prices, and on the LME it's trading at 6,600, which really is a cause of concern because it has been consistently falling for last 15 trading sessions per se. I think I would just buy this metal for immediate near-term targets towards 460, but then you really have to look at what is going on in the Escondida mine, and I think possibly July 1st week, I think first or second week, when you see possible negotiation between workers, and this would what would possibly drive prices of copper from here on.
All right, so buy in copper, and that really is some kind of an assurance that we wouldn't perhaps see much of decline for many of those other metals also from here on. Prathamesh, thank you so much for joining us and giving us your strategies on all of those metals. And with that, it's a wrap up on this edition of Closing Bell. Thank you for watching.